Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about how can we change phone sleep time in our Tecno phone device. Friends, we want to change your phone sleep time settings. So friend, how can you change it? Today friends, I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's see how can we guys change phone sleep time in our Tecno phone device. Friends, open your phone setting guys. So friends, I pause the video because of sound guys, ignore it friends, focus on video. Then guys scroll it friends, click on phone display and brightness. Friends, again scroll friends, you can see your screen time on means guys your phone sleep time guys, you can change from here. Then we will click on the 30-second example for. So friends, we will wait for only 30 seconds while I am going to pause video for 20 seconds. So I wait, and friends, we will not click anywhere. Then guys after 30 seconds guys your phone will sleep. So friends, now time to check. As you can see, screen going to sleep means your phone going to sleep. So like that guy, we can change phone sleep time. So that's it guy, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye friends.